The second Welsh All-Styles Knockdown Karate Championships began with an exhibition of wood breaking. Karate attracts all age groups and a variety of styles. Certainly it has spectator appeal, as Saturday's near full house at the National Sports Centre in Cardiff indicated. The heavyweight final went by default to Julian Baker of Pontypridd after his scheduled opponent was injured in the other semi. Although deadly serious, karate isn't without its moments of humour. Ouch! But you can't keep a good karate man down. Only this time, it's the left foot.